Consumers sometimes use Teflon as the name for any type of nonstick cookware, but you might be surprised to find out that there are different types available. Teflon belongs to the category of nonstick coatings known as polytetrafluoroethylene, or PTFE. This category of coatings was discovered in 1938. DuPont would later go on to trademark the discovery under the name Teflon. PTFEs make pans non-stick by covering the nooks, crannies, and pores of the metal pan, which in turn prevent food from being able to stick to the surface. However, these types of coatings tend to reduce the ability of the pans to conduct heat, which in turn makes it slightly more difficult to brown foods, such as meat. Another disadvantage of PTFE coatings is that they start to degrade at temperatures above 500 degrees Fahrenheit and begin to release fluorocarbons into the air. While these fumes won't cause long-term harm to humans, they can cause flu-like symptoms. However, the fumes can cause greater harm and even be fatal to birds. So it's important to keep these pets out of the kitchen when using PTFE-coated cookware. There is alternative nonstick cookware for those consumers who would rather not use PTFE. Ceramic-coated pans have a ceramic powder that have been applied to the surface of the cookware, providing it with nonstick properties. However, it has a disadvantage that through repeated usage, the nonstick coating can become less effective. Depending upon the particular need and concerns of the consumer, there are different types of nonstick cookware available. For more information, please visit sunup.okstate.edu or fapc.biz.